As part of our public engagement efforts, the scientists here at the NASA Lunar Science Institute have created a really engaging game called The Moon and Beyond. And we've tried to incorporate many teaching moments into the Moon and Beyond board game itself. It starts with space debris. Of course, as the game player progresses along the game track, one of the first space assets they come to is the International Space Station. We eventually do make a lunar landing over here, and I'm sure you're following along on your posters, but the lunar landing really does start the process of communicating NASA's vision for the stepping stone model, where first you start on the moon and eventually you land here on Mars. First, establishing lunar base will be critical. Exploring with rovers in our next scene allows us to identify some resources for ISRU purposes. The regolith mining, if we are in fact going to be mining the regolith to help build our infrastructure, that would be a key depot. Identification and processing of water ice up here near the lunar poles will also communicate the fact that you can use that water ice for drinking water or rocket fuel, etc. And finally, once you've mined your regolith to build your parts and you've processed your water ice and have your fuel in hand, you assemble a rocket, you finish the rocket assembly. This is the last stage of the launch to Mars. And so then from there on, you continue. Here is a NEO mission opportunity to explain aspects of the NEO mission as you're landing finally onto Mars.